Next project, I'm going to build these. These are my factory rims. I replaced them with carbon fiber deep dish rims, but these are old factory rims from my Pinarello. And I'm going to build them out and put these new 32 millimeter winter tires on with treads so I can get out here on some snow and ice. My other tires, the bikes downstairs are tires, but it's similar to this. They're slicks, and I rode on these and the other ones in the winter time. So anyway, let me get these off, get the new stuff on, new brake rotors and all that stuff. Some decent treads. I didn't want nothing aggressive because I'm only going to hit some light gravel, light snow, light ice, and I was able to maneuver on slicks, but you know, it was real dicey. And I did have to turn around. These might not help all the way, but it's way better, especially since I'm building a second set of winter rims. And as these people pull away from EVs, it just creates a vacuum for someone to fill that vacuum in Tesla. It's not as big as I thought. I probably could have went a little bit bigger, but this is enough. Going from 28 slicks for 32 winter ice tires. From my summer racing slicks, which, like I said, I rode these last winter also. Of course, everything from me has got to be Pirelli. It's got to be Pirelli. Italian tires on an Italian bike, Pinarello. Like I said, these are 28 mil going to 32s. Let's check this clearance out. There's a pretty good weight difference. These rims are aluminum with those heavy tires. These are lightweight race tires, and this is all carbon fiber. So, like I said, there's a really big weight difference. But I don't care for winter. You know, my miles per hour is going to drop down probably 3 miles an hour in the wintertime. I'm not out for speed. I think this is decent enough clearance. I should have took a video of the other tire, the other tire first. It's hard to get it straight on with the camera because if I go back here, but that's enough. You know, it won't be no high amount of flex that's going to make it like push over the tire, that is push over that way. But I don't think I would go no more than 32. I wouldn't do 34. When those P0 Pirellis die, I'm getting 32-inch slicks. This bike came with 25s, and the 28s made a huge difference. You know, so I'm expecting these 32s to make somewhat of a difference, even though it'd be heavy, but from rocks and bump point of view. Okay, so this is the before with the slicks, just looking at the clearance on the 28 mil slicks. I just remembered I got to put my things that record your tire speed on the front of the new front. Okay, she's all set. Nice winter tires, and the spacing is still good. Still should avoid flex or rub. Can't wait to try these out. Maybe Sunday.